When people hear the name Seville, one thing usually comes to mind: flamenco. Spinning dresses, powerful guitar, and fiery dancers. It's iconic. But if that's all you see in Seville, you're only seeing a small part of the story. Because the real soul of this city lives beyond the stage. In quiet streets, shaded plazas, long lunches, and slow evening conversations. And today, we're discovering that side of Seville, the one that's way more than flamenco. This is Tripinn, where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight. Where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. So if you enjoy discovering the real side of cities, make sure to subscribe to Tripinn and let's explore together. Let's begin with Barrio Santa Cruz. Hidden behind the busy avenues lies Barrio Santa Cruz, a place where the city's past still shapes everyday life. Narrow streets twist between centuries-old buildings. Flower-filled balconies lean gently over quiet alleys. And sunlight filters through orange trees that have been here for generations. These streets were built long before modern traffic, designed to keep the city cool during Andalusia's intense summers. But today they offer something even more valuable: a slower pace. Here, life doesn't feel rushed, it just flows. Next, we arrive at one of Seville's most beautiful landmarks, Plaza de España. Suddenly, the city opens up, and standing proudly in the heart of Seville is the breathtaking Plaza de España, a sweeping architectural masterpiece built in 1929. Curving bridges cross a quiet canal. Colorful ceramic tiles tell stories of Spain's regions. And the entire plaza feels like a movie set waiting for its next scene. But even with its grandeur, the atmosphere stays relaxed. Couples drift across the water in small boats. Travelers pause to admire the details, and musicians quietly fill the air with gentle melodies. No rush, just the beauty of the moment. By the way, if you're enjoying this cinematic journey through Seville, make sure to subscribe to Tripinn. We explore destinations beyond the usual tourist highlights, showing you the hidden rhythms, local culture, and everyday beauty that most travelers miss. So if you love discovering places in a deeper way, you're definitely in the right spot. All right, let's keep exploring. From here, we cross the river to the historic neighborhood of Triana. For centuries, this neighborhood has been home to sailors, artists, craftsmen, and ceramic makers. Even today, colorful pottery shops line the streets. Local tapas bars buzz with conversation. And neighbors greet each other like they've known each other forever. This is Seville without the spotlight. No performances, no stages, just real life unfolding in its own rhythm. And honestly, that's where the city feels most alive. Deep inside the neighborhood sits Mercado de Triana, where the flavors of Andalusia come together. Fresh seafood arrives daily. Local vendors greet regular customers with familiar smiles. And simple tapas plates somehow turn into unforgettable meals. Food here isn't rushed, it's shared, it's talked over, it's part of the social fabric of the city. And that's exactly why it tastes so good. As you spend a little time here, you start noticing the small details that give this neighborhood its character, the quiet conversations and the relaxed pace of life in Seville. It's less about rushing and more about simply enjoying the moment. As evening settles over Seville, the city reveals a completely different perspective from above. The Guadalquivir River quietly winds through the heart of the city, reflecting the warm colors of the fading sun. From the sky, Seville feels calm, almost timeless. Bridges stretch across the water, and rooftops glow softly in the golden light. And as the sun slowly disappears beyond the horizon, the city transitions into its most peaceful moment of the day. Next, we head to Alameda de Hércules, one of Seville's most lively night spots. Voiceover. As night settles in, Alameda de Hércules begins to glow with energy. Cafes and bars fill with conversation. Music drifts through the square, and people gather to enjoy the warm Andalusian evening. It's relaxed, social, and effortlessly vibrant. A place where the night slowly unfolds, one conversation at a time. As night settles over Seville, the atmosphere begins to change. The streets feel calmer, conversations drift through the air, and the city takes on a slower rhythm. Walking through the evening here feels different, quieter, softer, and somehow more personal. And as the night continues, the simple moments begin to stand out even more. The warm lights, the relaxed pace, and the gentle energy of the city create a feeling that's hard to explain but easy to enjoy. Sometimes the best way to experience a place is simply to wander and let the night unfold. So, yes, Seville may be famous for flamenco, but the real magic of this city lives far beyond the stage. It lives in quiet streets, in neighborhood traditions, and in the simple rhythm of everyday life. Because sometimes, the best way to experience a place isn't through its performances. It's through the small moments in between, the walks, the conversations, and the feeling a city leaves behind. And if you enjoyed discovering this side of Seville with us, there are many more incredible journeys waiting for you here on Tripinn. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next adventure. If you enjoyed this journey through Seville, explore even more with our complete Europe travel playlist on the screen. And for another incredible night experience, check out our night walking tour in Rome. See you in the next adventure.